Hi guys and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel. Today I'm not in my apartment because the internet really sucks there, and I'm here in one of the launch areas of my resident complex with an amazing view over Bangkok. It's actually a little bit lower than my floor, but here are way more window, so it's amazing here. So guys, thank you so much again for your support. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates that I give you here absolutely for free on my channel. And now let's dive in here directly into the Bitcoin chart here again on the 4-hourly chart. So what we have seen here in the last couple of hours since I uploaded my last video is that the Bitcoin price has here broken out of this symmetrical triangle to the upside and then was forming a potential bull flag here. And also this has broken here to the upside, and the technical target is all the way up here at around $47,000. To be exact, it's $46,890, the technical target of that bull flag here. And now obviously is the question, while we are breaking here into this resistance block, if we actually gonna reach this target here, or if we will get a rejection to the downside, find somewhere here support, and then move here to the upside. So on the higher time frames, I can tell you it really looks like that we might get here a small correction to the downside because we are already quite overextended on them. But on the lower time frames, like the 1-hourly time frame, I want to show you this. So on the 1-hourly time frame, you can actually see, oh sorry guys, let me leave it like this, that we are forming here already a new pattern, a new symmetrical triangle, which is soon, really soon, going to break out either to the up or to the downside. So if we measure the target here from top to bottom, then you see we get really close here to the technical target of this bull flag all the way up here. So the target of that symmetrical triangle that we have here is around $46,500, so which is really close, like I said, here at the bull flag target. But there's obviously also the possibility that we break to the downside. If we break to the downside, then the technical target would be around $42,000, more or less. $42,071 would be the technical target, which would make a lot of sense because we have here around that area also really strong support that we have just reclaimed. So if we come back down to test this, it would not be the end of the world if we then actually get a move back to the upside and then hit our technical target of the bull flag. So in either case, we can trade both ways, either to the upside or to the downside. When we get a break to the downside, then we can short Bitcoin here. If we break to the upside, we can long Bitcoin here. So I would long Bitcoin around $44,500, and I would short Bitcoin around $43,600. And then obviously take profits along the way. If I would short this, I would take first profits around $42,800, and on a long I would take around $45,500, my first profits, to make sure that I walk here definitely with some profits home. So if you want to short or long Bitcoin, you can go here to BYBIT or to Phemex. On BYBIT you still get $4,100 for signing up. On Phemex it's $5,100 with the links in the pinned comment below and in the video description. Takes only a couple of seconds if you want to sign up there. Just sign up, deposit some money, start trading, claim your bonus, trade with the bonus, withdraw the profits from your bonus. So that is what we are doing here. So now let's get back to Bitcoin. Here I have another 4-hourly chart prepared with the exponential moving averages, and here is something really amazing happening. So if this is actually playing out here the right way, and that is that we have here the 50 and the 200 moving exponential average crossing, giving us here a bull cross. So the 200 is here in blue, and in red is the 50. So if the 50 goes now over the 200 and continues its move here, the trajectory to the upside, and also crosses over the 21. So if the 50 comes up here, crosses potentially even, oh no, sorry, should not cross over the 21, should stay under the 21, but the 21 keeps going up here over the 50, then we are in a full-flash uptrend back in Bitcoin, and that's exactly what we want to see. So every time Bitcoin dips here, actually we see that Bitcoin gets bought up and pushed here higher. Only right now we see here some small signs of exhaustion here in the candles, but nonetheless this could still keep this trajectory here to the upside in the next coming hours and days for Bitcoin. So then when we are looking here on the daily chart, sorry, I actually forgot something that I wanted to point out on the hourly chart. I think it was the EMA ribbon. Let me see. Yeah, so we are also still here in an uptrend on the EMA ribbon. But yeah, here you can actually see it. It looks like that we will get soon a retest of the bottom of the ribbon. But like I said, that's not the end of the world. It's actually healthy for continuation to the upside. When we go to the 4-hourly chart, then also here you see we would touch just the top of it and then bounce back up most likely. So I am getting ready here to actually short Bitcoin. I have money right now here already on BYBIT here, a quarter Bitcoin, but I cannot trade it because even the internet here is sucking so much that BYBIT is here keep reconnecting. You know, I can here do this, but it will actually not help. You know, so you see it's loading, not really helping. So I cannot trade. You know, I want to trade, I cannot trade. I have to do it later. Actually from the phone, what I usually don't do. I really hate to do this from the phone, but it looks like that I have no other choice than to do this later from the phone if we start breaking down here. So then let's go now to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we want to have a look here on the Fibonacci extension levels. So here also you can see that the trajectory should be here to the upside based on the Fibonacci golden ratio that we actually reclaimed already here, the 0.618, the 41,145, and there you see again why it was so important to reclaim it, what I was talking yesterday about. So and here the next level to watch would be here the prior local high that we had here at 46,244 just 2 weeks ago. And then we would climb into direction of the 1.618 here of 54,493 and 54,920 respectively. That it will be the next targets for Bitcoin. So if we now drop back down, let's also have a look at this. If we pull it the other way around. So then you can see here, the next level to watch here is the 0.272, the 42,710, and that is almost lining up with the target here to the downside. As you can see here, it's at $42,200, so it's only like, what is it, $500 away from it? Yes, so it's really close to the Fibonacci retracement level here. So, and that makes it even more likely that we will come down and test this level here and get from there a bounce. So, and I will obviously, normally I don't short Bitcoin, but I want to increase my stash that I have right now here transferred to BYBIT. So I will short this to the downside and then long this back to the upside. So that is my game plan here. If we should break it to the downside. But regardless here on the weekly scale, we are definitely looking massively bullish on the W pattern that I was pointing out so many times. Now I cannot even draw here. Yeah, you see, I try, I cannot draw. It's not so so important. You cannot see at least the cursor. So we have obviously still 4.5 days to go here, but if we can close the candle just above, let's say $42,400, that will be massively bullish for Bitcoin. And I can tell you, then I will open a long position that I have never opened before. If the next candle is starting to push in green here to the upside for Bitcoin. And mark my words, that will be an insane long position that I will open here in the next coming weeks or over the weekend, if I see that this candle will close here above $42,500, $44,000. Then when we're jumping in Ethereum, so here we are still in our W-shaped pattern. Also here drawing is not working, it's horrible. So we are slightly above the neckline right now, but we have not seen here clear follow through for the time being. It depends right now heavily on Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is actually dumping to the downside or if we're going to the upside. So if we have here a small dump, it would not be the end of the world, might be just a small fake out here for this W pattern before we actually go up. Ethereum and Bitcoin likes to do that quite a lot. So I'm prepared for this just in case that this is going to happen. Then here on the Bitcoin dominance, we can see that we are reaching a 44.47% right now. So we almost touched this and got rejected from it, which is a good sign. The Bitcoin dominance was increasingly here heavily because of the rise of the Bitcoin price. Oh, here at least the drawing works. So and now where Bitcoin starts to go sideways, the Bitcoin dominance is losing momentum to the downside, and that's exactly what we want to see. When we're looking on the Bitcoin dominance, we want to see the Bitcoin dominance go down while Bitcoin goes up, so that also altcoins can gain here some ground against Bitcoin. So I believe here we could come down here all the way down to like 43%, 43.28%. There's right now some support around this level when we are looking here. So there you can see it, there's some support around this level. It's coming in from here, where it was resistance, here it was support, here was support and resistance, here the same, here it flipped again into resistance. So and then we broke it here now above this, so this should act now as support again. So it could be that we come down here, go a little bit sideways before we see a further break to the downside. So yeah, that is what the market is looking right now. So I'm watching here like a hawk what's happening with Bitcoin on the 1 hourly chart. I actually have to take this line away so that I can see it when it's breaking down. Also this one here has to go, and the 1 hourly chart. Let's see if I get the 1 hourly chart back. Okay guys, it doesn't matter. So I showed you everything. If there we go. So yeah, so I'm watching this closely right now. Yeah, if we get the breakdown to the downside, like I said, I gotta short this. Guys, I also want to show you quick here in our usual channel. You can see here that is from February, the overview how the signals were performing, the paid signals, where you find also the link in the video description. Use please the link in the video description, really important, even though the link's also in the pinned comment, but please, like I tell you every day, please use the link in the description to make sure that you will not fall for any scammers. So we had here spot signals 240% achieving accumulated profit, and that is actually including already the losses. If you use 2x leverage on all these signals, it was 217%. If you used 3x on the signals that we were sending with leverage, you made 325.5% profits, which is astonishing results for February. We had over 50 trades. That's like an average like almost 2.5 trades per day, because we had only 28 days in February. So we are absolutely killing it. So there you have proof. You can also ask my support staff to send you the whole report if you want to. So just talk to the support in the pinned comment and in the video description about this. So if you want to join the channel, just click on the link and then we will set you up. Guys, that's it already for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though the quality of the video is not so great because of the stupid light here just above me. But regardless, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important videos. And I will see you once again, hopefully from my apartment tomorrow.